Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to add money to your Credit Karma card in 2025. If you're looking to load funds onto your card for everyday spending or building credit, this step-by-step guide will make it easy and hassle-free. Whether you're a Credit Karma newbie or just need a quick refresh, stick around because we'll cover everything you need to know in just a couple of minutes. First things first, make sure you have the Credit Karma app installed on your phone or access to the website. You'll need a verified account and your Credit Karma card set up. Once that's ready, open the app and log in with your credentials. It's that simple to get started. Now, let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Navigate to the Cards or Wallet section in the app. You'll see your Credit Karma card listed there. Tap on it to open the details. Step 2. Look for the Add Money or Fund Card option. This might be under a menu like Manage Funds, or directly on the card overview. It's usually pretty straightforward. Step 3. Select your funding source. You can link a bank account, debit card, or even use a direct deposit. If you're linking a new account, you'll have to go through a quick verification process, which is all about keeping your money secure. Step 4. Enter the amount you want to add. Double-check this to avoid any mistakes, and keep in mind that there might be daily limits or small fees depending on your account status. After that, Step 5. Review and confirm the transaction. You'll get a summary screen showing the details. Take a second to make sure everything looks good before hitting confirm. Once it's done, the funds should appear in your card balance almost instantly, though it could take a few minutes for some methods. A quick tip: always use secure networks when handling financial stuff, and check for any promotional offers that might waive fees. If you run into issues, Credit Karma's support team is there to help via chat or email. There you have it. That's how you add money to your Credit Karma card in 2025. It's a breeze once you know the ropes, and it puts you in control of your finances. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.